29th day of November 2025 at Lahong Covered Court, Lahong Proper Baleno Masbate. Signed, Seremundo M. Cantunos, our Schools Division Superintendent. Okay po, ang ating incentives o yung ating prize for the awards is coming sa kay Chairman of Poblacion Colorado. Typographical error lang. Sorry. And 4. Baka natin ang ating second runner-up all the way from Sir P.O.V. Corpus. So far away. For the first runner-up, certificate of recognition is presented to Magdalena National High School for being first runner-up. And our cash incentives is coming from our state chairman of Poblacion Baleno, Barangay Poblacion, Sir John Paul Morado. Thank you, Sir John Paul. Dahil sa'yo, may 1-5 sila. Certificate of recognition is presented to Western Masbate Roosevelt College Incorporated for being champion. Cash incentives is from Sir SK Chairman Morado. John Paul Morado of Barangay Poblacion. 2,500. For the champion coach, Sir Solomon Jr. Orsan. For the best setter, is Wenzel Marque Lumbat. Coming from Sir John Paul Morado.
Sa Libyo. Mark.
Galing po kay Engineer Salivio ang prize. Mark Allen Salivio, worth of 500,000 pesos. For the best setter,
Ay.
sorry lang. And for the best, Sergeant And another certificate of recognition is presented to Barangay Lahong Proper, Baleno, Masbate for being the playing venue in Sepak Takraw. And certificate of recognition is presented to Junjun S. Manlapas for being a participant as coach in Sepak Takraw and Baleno National High School. Another certificate of recognition is presented to Manuel Antonio E. Riojoso for being the participant and coach of San Jacinto National High School. Sir Manuel. And another certificate of recognition is presented to Arriesgado Sevillano National High School for being the participant and their coach, Ariel G. Arsenal. Awarding of certificate of commendation is presented to Rolly Olcapini for his outstanding contribution as tournament director during the 2025 Sepak Takraw Inter-School Sports Club Tournament. And another certificate of commendation is presented to Henry M. Katula. And another certificate of commendation is presented to Nestle E. Labastida. And certificate of commendation is presented to Kirsty E. Labastida. Okay. Another certificate of commendation is presented to Madeline D. Bulalaki. Lenilin, sorry lang. Sorry lang, just sorry. And certificate of commendation is presented to Lida L. Rio. And certificate of commendation is presented to Ron D. Bingoy. Sir Ron. And certificate of appreciation is presented to NDRRMO Baleno for their unwavering support, prompt response, and dedicated service during the 2025 Sepak Takraw Inter-School Sports Club Tournament. And that ends our awarding. Thank you very much to all the schools who participated in this tournament. Himat po pag-uli. And goodbye.
Apo. Thank you po.
Okay, salamat ka sa biyahe. Abay guys, himat ka mo, himat.